Friends, my full name is Alvin Riju. You can call me Alvin. I am class 10 Social Science 4. I am today my presentation handing out introduction. Issue background, science and technology is always evolving and progressing in accordance with the times and the development of human thinking. The Indonesian nation as one of the developing countries will not be able to advance as long as not improve the quality of human resources of our nation. Quality of life of the nation can be increased if others beg for advance and Christian as a whole. Discussion. Library is an integral part of educational institutions as a collection of library materials, either textbook or notebook. In accordance with the title of this paper, the background in accordance with the title of this paper, the effect of school libraries on quality. Education in schools in relation to implementation of education in schools in relation to the implementation of education programs at schools. Functions and contributing to the title of this paper is deliberately chosen because the authors draw attention to secret and need support from all parties who care about education. Identification problems. Realize the objectives of the intercultural life of the nation. Libraries are vital for undergraduate efforts on the quality of education. In the world of education, the book provides efficient and better order as one means of education and means of communication. In this regard, the library and library service should be developed as an installation tool from if you have the ability and listening skills and a great interest in reading. If reading is habit and interest associated, then obviously the book cannot be separated from everyday life and is a basic requirement. Support B, an established educational system. With an established education system allows us to think critically, creatively, and productively. School library purpose. The implementation of the program library in connection with that leading to problem can be indicated as follows. How does the our libraries and the implementation of education programs? in school. How does the school library country improve the quality of education in school? The main objective of organizing the school library is to improve the quality of education together with elements of other schools. Where other purpose is super and complete all activities both curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. In addition, is also intended to help foster student interest and develop talent and strengthen teaching and learning strategies. School library functions based on school library purpose. It can be formulated some library directing techniques to understand the content of reading, expanding knowledge of the students, help develop language skills and thinking power of students by providing quality reading. Schools library win operational goals associated with the implementation of program in school including foster a sense of love, awareness and reading habits, guiding and rating statutes. Discussing includes the purpose of libraries, function libraries and library donations toward the implementation of educational programs. School library purpose: the implementation of the program library in connection with that title. Then the problem can be identified as follows. How does the role of libraries on the implementation of education programs in schools? How can guiding students to use and maintain library materials properly provided the basis to take independent study, provide opportunities for students to learn how to use the library with a good, efficient special in the use of reference materials. Providing library materials that support the implementation of curriculum programs in school, both curricular as well as extracurricular. Functions as follows: education function, the meaning of education library. Function is provide library materials in accordance with the curriculum that is able to arouse students' interest in reading, developing material. The meaning of the informative function is a library providing library materials which contains information about the various branches of scientific quality and up-to-date are not regularly and functions as follows. Recreational functions. What is meant to be recreational function? Power of expression, develop language skills, developing a style that is rational and critical thought and able to guide and nurture the students in terms of how to say and maintaining library materials properly. Information systematically so as to facilitate the officers and users in finding needed information. Administrative functions. What is meant by administrative function is a library's whole duty functions. The library books, in addition to providing they also need to provide the books. They are recreational, entertainment, and quality. Such readers can also fill frame time at the students or by teacher. Reassuring completion and preparation of library materials and organize the circulation of facilitating effective and efficient. Recurrent functions. What is meant by recurrent function? In that from you have the ability listening skill and great in reading. In that 1945, Constitution stated that the country we want to treat as society yang and intelligent national have formed learning communities. Learning communities can compare with how upset water it come from self-constituent or wow home outside. But with patience and especially the help of good finalities paper can be resolved. This paper insults on the effects of school liberalism on quality education in school and deliberating question because the outdoors the attention to scrutiny and need support from all possible care about education. The paper is organized so that readers can find out how much influence the school library for the quality of education that we profit based on observation from various sources. This paper stopped by the others also then teacher as who have helped making of this paper. Presbyter Godbout has helped his servant finish this paper with great as with her help some might not be albeit completed the author well. Super be an established educational system with an established education system always thinking creatively and productively. From you have the ability in listening skills and great interest in reading. If reading is habit entrenched in society, then obviously the book cannot be separated from everyday life in its obvious requirement. Communication in this gregate the library and library service should be be developed or installation to from it you have the ability and listing skills and great interesting in reading. Thank you.